Have you ever loved someone so deeply that even after losing them, you still carry them in your heart? But what if the only way to move on is to become strangers again? Today's story is about love, heartbreak, and the painful courage it takes to let go. This is the story of Can We Be Strangers Again by Srijit Shandilya, a deeply emotional romance that explores what happens after love fades but feelings don't. It's not just a love story, it's a story about endings that never truly feel like endings. The story revolves around two people who once shared a beautiful relationship. They met, connected instantly, and slowly became each other's safe space. Late night conversations, endless laughter, shared dreams, everything felt perfect. Like many love stories, they believed their bond was unbreakable. They thought they would last forever. But sometimes, love alone isn't enough. As time passes, differences begin to surface. Misunderstandings grow, communication fades, and small issues turn into bigger cracks. They start drifting apart, even though their hearts still care deeply for each other. And that's the most painful part. Not falling out of love, but being unable to make it work. They try to fix things, they try to hold on, but some relationships slowly slip away, no matter how hard you try. Eventually, they reach a point where staying together hurts more than being apart. And then comes the hardest question. Can we be strangers again? Not because they stopped loving each other, but because holding on was destroying them. They choose to let go, not out of anger, but out of love. And that decision breaks them more than the relationship ever did. Even after parting ways, memories don't fade. Every place reminds them of what they once had. Every song feels like a story unfinished. They try to move on, but a part of them remains stuck in the past. Because the truth is, you can stop talking to someone, but you can't easily stop loving them. Can We Be Strangers Again teaches us that not all love stories are meant to last forever. Some people come into our lives to teach us something, to change us, and then leave. And sometimes the bravest thing you can do is to let go even when your heart wants to hold on. Because not all endings are failures, some are just necessary. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such book summaries. And tell me in the comments, would you ever choose to become strangers again with someone you once loved?